Hey y'all, today I am reviewing a 30-inch 180 density wig from Tuneful here on AliExpress. This is my third wig from Tuneful here, and I can say I really do think that they may have the best straight hair on AliExpress that I've tried thus far. As you can see, these knots are pretty small. My stylist has no issues with bleaching and prepping the hair for my install. I just wanted to show you guys a little closer up here as well how this lace looks on skin and unplucked for you guys who install your wigs yourselves, just straight out of the box. So again, I really did enjoy this hair. I did not have too many complaints or issues within the length and the thickness. However, my last two wigs that I have received from them have shed a lot. If you saw in the thumbnail for this video, the hair was originally installed in February on that very first picture on the left. And as you can see, there is a side part and the next install that is in April on that second picture. And so, yeah, here are some things that came, wigs, lashes in general. Overall, I would rate this company's shipping and customer service experience about a 7 out of 10 for sure. About 3 to 5 day shipping, depending on where you are in the United States. I've been in different locations. That's about the average time. Quick response. Recommend, and I also have the link to this wig and my stylist Instagram page below.